How to start selling on Whatnot. Today guys, I will show you step by step how to do this. Follow and watch this video till the end. Open Whatnot first like this, and right now you should go to your account section, click, and after that you will find here interested in selling, click get started. It's going right now to take you to this page. You have to agree by clicking here and click got it. So right now, which category will you sell in most often? Choose things, for example, electronics, click next. Which so will you sell in most often? For example, just tools, click next. Which of these better describe you? I'm just starting, click next. And here you have to as you read here, where should we send, purchase and return. You have to complete all this stuff from here and then click next. And guys, click next when you done all the information, and you will start selling on Whatnot. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.